Hi, I'm Bart Savan, Director of Behavior-Based Safety at ADI, and this message is for those of you who have reached the point where your organization is ready to focus on the behavioral element of safety, but you're looking for an approach that's easy to implement in a short period of time. Or maybe you want more engagement in safety, starting with your frontline supervisors, but you're not sure exactly how to proceed. ADI's Quick-Launch is a behavioral safety approach that drives engagement at the supervisor level and builds awareness at the front line. Quick-Launch helps supervisors observe and coach frontline personnel, resulting in improved safety awareness and decreased exposure to hazards. Quick-Launch includes an easy-to-use assessment tool that helps identify environmental barriers to safe behavior so there's less blame around incidents and injuries and more constructive problem-solving between frontline and supervisors. This builds trust and begins to transform your safety culture to one where reporting safety problems is rewarded rather than punished. Additionally, the Quick-Launch name was selected to highlight how quick and easy the implementation process is. Quick-Launch can be launched with minimal training and expense and is designed to be sustainable beyond your company's involvement with ADI. If you're ready to take the next step in your safety journey and you feel that a full-blown BBS system is not the right starting point for your organization, then start engaging your supervisors using an approach that's effective and easy to implement. ADI has been the expert in applying behavioral science approaches in business for over 40 years, and we can help you move forward in safety.